Good morning, everyone, and huge applause to you guys. Tommy, Mihails, Kenny. Kenny, welcome from Delaware. Huge applause. I know you guys like the applause. All right, just for once, you know. All right. Welcome, everybody. New day. New day, and what a move yesterday. FOMC, right? I wasn't trading it. Actually, I was, but only on a on an evaluation with micros. But hey, what a move! Usually, this is the typical move. What happens on FOMC, in my opinion. Dark Cloud, hey, welcome. The fake move and then the real move, or the manipulation and then vice versa, whatever. Anyway. Almost like non-farm payroll, similar, right? Something similar happens around FOMC, especially the press conference was starting at somewhere where it was here at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, and press conference ended around 3 p.m. or a little bit after, and then boom, went down. Anyway, quite interesting. So welcome everybody. Don't really have too many levels. We have a new day opening gap here. New day opening gap, which we can go for as a potential target. On the downside, it's down. It's about 50 or 60 points down. George, good morning. Welcome, guys. So, could be heading down again. Definitely some sell side liquidity at 484. But we also have the next gap. If we look to the left, there is a small swing high here above 600, which is actually a 15-minute fair value gap. I checked it. 15-minute fair value gap, so that's also another target we have to be aware of. And what else we have? Oh, I forgot to change the midnight open. Sorry. Midnight open is somewhere here. It's not accurate, but you know, we get the picture at least. So this is the 1 minute chart. There are some good higher lows as swing points to be taken out. So, and we're gonna have Swiss CPI in about 26 minutes. That could maybe move the market just a little bit. Kenny, you've been short for NQ on NQ from what? 547. 547. Okay. Actually, that's actually good. That's actually very good. Marco, good morning. Congratulations on the short. You just got it right on. George, I bought a new BULENOX account. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You have a problem. I can't see the new account either in Rhythmic or in Quantower. I only see the old account. Sometimes it happens, George, and thank you again for using the code. The thing is that it might be because BULENOX is going to send it to you a little bit later, although I'm not sure because hey, Messapeti, you might have to wait a little bit, maybe until New York Open. The similar thing happened with me on Apex the other day. I bought it. I bought the account sometime in the London morning, and I only got the account a few hours later. But at this point, there's not much to do. I mean, on the dashboard, if you log into the website, on the dashboard, you should be able to see in the reports tab. If you don't see it in the reports tab, then you can easily raise a support ticket. I'm 1000% sure that they're going to sort it out for you. You can raise a support ticket right now, and BULENOX so far sorted out everything. If you don't see it on the website in the dashboard, not at the reports or nowhere, then just check it. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Just retraced. Now, good morning, Oliver. You need to disconnect, reconnect BULENOX in Quant Hours sometimes. That's also a thing, yes. Yes, that's also something. Disconnect or close Quant Hour completely, reconnect. Sometimes that helps. Yeah. But if you don't see it anywhere, just raise a support ticket. I'm 1000% sure that they're going to add it into your portfolio. But maybe you have to wait until the New York Open. I don't know. There should be some technical support. Morning, Trader G. You closed it. All right, Kenny. So there will be a little bit of a news, the Swiss CPI. Otherwise, nothing special. So this one can move the market just a bit. I don't think that much. And we're gonna wait. Howdy, Trader Oracle. Good to see you. Welcome, guys. Okay. I'm just checking some liquidity levels on. There is a fair value gap on the 15-minute, a little bit down here as a sell side liquidity. Not sure if we'll go down there, but it's not far. Maybe just for a scalp, 31 it should be dropping, right? Let me check it on a 30-second chart, just for fun, Oh, look at this. So yeah, it should be starting around here. So who knows? Could be dropping all the way down. We have still no direction. If we break the 29, then we should be entering into this fair value gap down there, which is at $20. Well, below 12. It starts at 16.75. So Naz, hey there. Camille, hey. London 15-second chart. New York 30-second chart. I see. Yeah. The 15-second gives a lot of gaps, guys. Hey, hello, Teacher FX. What's up? What's up? I can see the new active subscription and dashboard. I can see it in the reports tab too. I will wait for a few hours, grab some snacks. Yeah, then it should be added to. Then it is a it is actually not even an issue. They're just going to add it to your connections or Rhythmic, or maybe you can also log into your Rhythmic trader and see the account. If the account is still not there, I'm sure it's going to be added later on. Do the badges update after every month? Yes, they are updating. Yes, there are I don't know how many levels, but there are. Good morning, 100 lot. Good morning. Yes, yes, they are updating. Actually, let me check what are the membership levels, because I totally forgot. I totally forgot the membership levels. Memberships. Hold on. Where are the levels? Settings. Oh, come on. There are levels, yes. I just forgot. We have multiple. I have 3 members right now, by the way. 3 members. 8 of them, they look pretty good. All right. Hey Duckhoy. How you doing? I joined the winners club. That is the club I belong to. I will join. Yeah, we have a winners club, but I messed up the settings a little bit, and it's not $5 because I had to edit in Hungarian forints, and so I could not edit it in dollars. So I made a calculation, and I think I messed it up because I calculated the tax too or something, I don't know, and now it's not $5 but $6 or $7 US, the membership. And I cannot change the membership now because I mean I can, but I have to kick out the 3 people from the membership. I think I have to restart again and kick them out. And to restart, I don't know what to do with it. I messed up at the first place. I wanted to stay with $5 membership. Anyway. Do you trade regular minis? Saad, only very rare occasions. Usually I trade. You're proud to be a member. Thank you. Thank you. I'm doing good, by the way, Duke. Duke, thank you so much for the question. I'm doing okay. Hey, best DJ in town. Everyone is okay. I was checking the 30-second chart. The 30-second chart, not really showing anything. Said, thank you for the subscription. Welcome on the channel. And by the way, guys, don't forget, if somebody's new, there will be another 50K evaluation account prize giveaway next week. The link is in the pin message up on the chat. Open the link, fill out the form, and if you complete some task, you increase your chance to win the prize for 50K evaluation from one of these prop firms. TOPSTEP, Apex, My Funded Futures, we'll see. All right. And we're going to pick the winner live on stream. Okay. And the winner will receive an email from me. Anyway, it's going to be awesome. Go check it out. And while we're waiting for the Swiss news, there's going to be some big announcements, hopefully, from My Funded Futures today. I think they're awesome. and I can't wait to hear it. They still give you a 5% discount from all accounts if you use my codes, but it's especially good now for expert accounts. So if you want to go with an expert account, 50K, the activation fee is included. So if you pass it under 30 days, it's actually the cheapest option still, especially with the code. And no withdrawal cap and everything else, but you gotta make sure if you can pass it under 30 days. It's still one of the best in the market. I have to complete the form each day. No, just once. We restarting every week, so giveaways hopefully come in every week, every new giveaway. So for every new giveaway, to participate in that giveaway, you have to refill the form. Yes, but this is a new one. So we did one last week, and this is a new one. I have to find out a way to make it to be separated from each other, because it technically looks the same like the last week. But yes, each and every giveaway you have to participate one more time. So one more time. I don't know what's the big news. Some cool announcement. I'm not sure. My funded futures hopefully come up with something new, something that nobody did in the futures industry before. I don't know. So I do like them a lot for that. They're pretty much changing the space, hopefully in a good way. But yeah. I'm also starting to trade with Take Profit Trader from this week on evaluation account, and Elite Trader funding. I have a promo for I have a 40% link and code down there for Take Profit Trader too. Not yet, Tamimi. They are going to announce it later today. MasterCard should go out of business. Everyone, please buy puts tomorrow on MasterCard. All right. I like TPD payouts. Yeah, take profit payouts are good. So the link and the code is in the description of the stream. It's a new one, new thing. Of course, it's TOPSTEP, the code. 40% off. So yeah. Right now we only have the 40% off, but there's going to be some new deals coming on. So I have to be, updated by those things. I just jumped into an evaluation account, and I'm going to buy more maybe. I think if I separate myself or diversify my trading between these 4, 5, maybe 6 prop accounts, that should be more than enough for me. Do not hit the daily loss. Yeah. Oh yeah, they have a daily loss limit, but that's cool. Just like TOPSTEP do, right? Or does. All right, we have some movement again to the upside. Nothing special so far. Maybe this one will go a little bit higher. We have some good targets at, where is it? It's above the 600, 603. So, now we had a structure shift here. It's still going higher. Maybe they want to push this before the news. Who knows? Let's wait. Bounced off, weave up. Yeah. Yeah, it did. It did actually. Take profit trader, George, TPT. Take profit trader. Yeah, with TOPSTEP you get to come back the next day. If you mess the things up, you can still come back the next day. Actually, it saved me quite a few times from overtrading, and there were occasions that it actually helped me to pull back the account from oblivion. Okay, so they might try to push these highs again, maybe to above 60. Who knows? If not, then I don't know. We'll look for the next opportunity. Take profit trade. Yeah, no problem. Maybe keep those things to yourself. Yes. Oh, really? Everybody blown some accounts, guys. It's part of the game sometimes. No, the goal is not to blow too many accounts. Anyway. But the Apex deal is going for this month, so that's great. They are continuing the sale. I think they should just change their standard account fees to the 80% discount, right? Hey Amit, how you doing? Good to see you. What's happening? All right. So far, I think the market is still waiting for this news to happen. And that's it. Nothing special. We see some pullback here. Might go down again. We don't know. Hey Dominic, hey. Welcome Daniel. Good to see you guys. Everybody, please push the like button if you can. Help out the stream and subscribe to the channel. Also, again, don't forget the giveaway. It's in the pinned message, new one. So you have to participate again in all of these giveaways to be able to win on the next live pick. If you're not here on the stream live when we pick the winners, no problem, because the winner is gonna get an email, and I'm gonna announce the name on Twitter too. Sorry, X. And we're gonna do it live. Okay, all right. Well, nothing is really moving. This one might be breaking down again to make some new lows. We'll see. Swiss news in about 3 minutes. It's 4 minutes, almost 4 minutes. So yesterday was quite interesting. I saw the moves. Yeah. So FOMC always, well, it always brings the gambler out of everyone. I'll be getting my first APEC payout. Oh, Camille, let me give you an applause. Congratulations, Camille, on your first Apex payout. That is huge. Not out of me. Good morning, Erkan. And yeah, good luck to everyone and you too. Camille, that is awesome. I'm super happy for that. That is great. Dominic, that's also, I know you have been working because you said, but that's also a skill. You know, if you haven't touched any charts since. So Dominic, I know you work a lot. I don't know the process yet, getting used to it. Yeah. You know, just a small advice, best not to touch that account that you requested the payout from. Because if you go under that threshold or your, you know, if you lose some money from the account and you go under your threshold, Apex can deny your payout in that matter. So make sure if you requested a payout, do not touch that specific account. Go continue to trade on a different one. All right. Waiting for the news. Waiting for the news. From what you say, buy 20 accounts, gamble a little bit to pass 5 accounts in one day, or buy 5 accounts and trade your normal strategy. Well, it depends on a few factors. It depends on how much money you can afford to lose for evaluation accounts. It depends if you already have a working entry model that you trust and you can go on with a funded account or with funded accounts. And depends on your risk management style, on your past results, but most likely depends on how much money can you lose or you're willing to lose by blowing on evaluation accounts. Nowadays, because I know I have a model that I'm using, if I can, you know, let myself to get that extra money out of my pocket to buy some evaluation accounts, which I did, I do that. So I buy more evaluation accounts, and yes, some of them or many of them I try to YOLO just to get them to the funded state, and that's it. I have a buffer, so it's 50k account. I made 3k. Oh, okay, you have 3k, so I want to request. That's okay. All right. I still have 2k. Yeah, exactly. 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 Just make sure, not to tilt, over trade or something and go below that buffer. That's all. But if you buy 20 evaluation accounts, Erkan, there's a pretty high chance, if you're doing it correctly, then yes, Take Profit Trader has no activation fees on that right now, on that 40%. But I have to check the details. They have a pretty good deal. So if you buy some accounts, use the codes. Thank you. Just as my for the future. So somewhere down the road, the activation fee is, implemented into the account. So it's there. Somehow, some way, they get that money. Maybe you're not passing the account at first, then you have to pay another evaluation, or maybe it takes for you to go in. To pass the account in 2 months, whatever. A lot of numbers, statistics, and everything. So overall, the edge is most likely on the side of the prop firm. But if you're doing it right, yes, you can make it with no activation fee. What is happening? Still hovering around here. I wonder if it wants to make a new high or not. So far, it doesn't seem like it. Seems like it might want to break lower. Who knows? Make a new high. We don't know that. News came out. Not that it really matters that much. A little bit better than expected, so slightly positive for the market. Waiting for some kind of an action here, but we're still before or ahead of the London Open, and seem like Nasdaq might be still unplugged here. I don't know. Might be. Who knows? Might gonna do one more push. We don't know. Nothing is happening so far. It's worse for the market CPI higher. Oh, it was? Oh man. Yes. Yeah, exactly. All right, don't quote me on that. I feel ashamed. I don't think London will bring much action this morning due to news. Oh yeah. Everybody's focusing on 8:30 news. $8:30 news. So yeah. And tomorrow, the good old NFP. Let's go. All right, there seemed to be some breakdown here ahead of London Open. which is great. Let's see how far it will go, if it goes anywhere at all. All serious term must calculate with 200 for one. Yeah, exactly. Monthly fee makes no sense because Apex have the 1-day dual approval time, so you have only 2 request times. Yeah, perfectly clear, Erkan. Yes, exactly. Yeah, so if you go into any kind of prop firm, then you most likely should be calculating around nearly $200, right, for a 50K account on average. And it doesn't really matter which prop firm you choose. It can be an expert account from My Funded Futures. It can be TOPSTEP, whatever, Take Profit Trader. No matter what you use, BULENOX. On average, if you pass them in about 30 days or under 30 days, you should be, I mean, you most likely getting it for around $200. That's it. So the rest of it is just small details that doesn't really matter too much. But if you really look at the big picture from a higher perspective, then yeah. Okay, there you go now. Yeah. So doesn't really matter which one of these you choose. My Funded Futures swears you can get 2 payouts a month, but I don't see how, and nor it's actually really the issue. It is issue really, well, it's only math. Yes, well, technically you can get 2 payouts. I mean, every 14 days from the account. But that's another thing I didn't really you're from Germany. Oh, all right, that's awesome, man. So I wouldn't even go for the bi-weekly payouts. I would say I'm perfectly fine if I can have at least 1 payout per account per 1 month. Yes, exactly. I think 14 calendar days. I think someone said it in the Discord. It's 14 calendar days, but I'm gonna have to check. I'm not rushing any account to make bi-weekly payouts. If one account makes a payout once a month, for me, that's perfect. That is awesome. I'm still not in a position, just waiting. Most likely we're gonna have to wait for any kind of certain move or heavier move until London Open. We might not even get any major move after the London Open. We're still consolidating in a range. Not much is happening so far. This one is not even a clear shift or clean shift. So maybe it will be going down a bit through the VWAP and the 200. Maybe that could be a target. And there's also a 15-minute gap down there. Who knows? Oh yeah, it could be happening. Going back to the 31, it can very well be happening. Small tiny gap here. I'm not jumping in anything. There's a gap on the 30-second chart. Nothing special. Now it's repricing it. So I don't know. I don't know where it wants to go. 42. Maybe it will go down. We don't know that. Gonna have to wait for the London Open. I found yesterday that my forex, my funded futures starter account offer 110 for micros, where expert accounts. Yes, I talked about this also in a video a long time before those 14 days are. You can actually get 2 payouts. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Is it gonna go down? Who knows? I'm wondering if it's really going down there. All of this and the Taiwan case, but no one is raving about 14 days and them claiming 2 payouts a month when most trade ones bet don't even reach. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure somebody was talking about 14 calendar days, but it's a good thing you brought this up. I'm gonna do some research on this. You received the account. All right. Well, the good thing is that it has been resolved. Great, George. And we're just waiting for the London Open. But this one dropped nicely from this gap. I mean, I didn't take this trade, but originally, if I would have taken it, so limit order here, for example, and my stop would have been somewhere here. So there you go. Risk to reward 1-to-1 should have been hit by now, which is great. Anyway. Oh, look at that. Now it's going. So this should have been a good scalp trade. Also proves me that I do like this method for scalping, but anyway. Where exactly are written the scalping rule at? Well, I'm gonna check for it just a second. If they put it somewhere. They were talking about it on the Discord, but on the website, it's not that clear. So on the website, there is a fair play and prohibited trading practices where they talk about scalping. So not much about in their help page, but they were talking about it on the Discord. Trade Sage, who is actually, I think he's Matt Leach, as the CEO, was talking about, I'm not sure about that, but they were talking about it, and they said if you go with, for example, 5 points on Nasdaq and you hold the trade for more than 8 seconds, that's okay. But if you go for 2 points on Nasdaq and you close it in 2 seconds with like 5 minis or whatever, then, and you do it multiple times, then that is something they don't like. But I heard almost the same scenario at TOPSTEP too. They don't really like on the funded accounts, on the XFA accounts, when somebody's doing the same practice, because if they want to make money out of someone on the live market, if someone is a good trader, then it's a little bit harder to copy trade them. That's one thing. And the second thing, most likely these prop firms don't really want to pay out those traders who are going all in with mini contracts for 2 points. If you keep the position more than 10 seconds, you get to go. Yeah, Boris. So someone from the mods said on Discord, 8 seconds is still good, and it's still okay if you close the trade with 2 points, but you were holding it for more than 8 or 10 seconds. If it's not moving your way, or there is a struggle, because there was a question too here on the stream as well, but also I saw the question on Discord. If you open the trade and you hold the trade for at least 10 seconds and it's not going your way, you want to get out of it, because you change your mind, it's still all right, as long as they don't see it on your account that it's a regular thing you do. So for example, if someone is using algorithms or bots to execute these super fast trades with more minis for 2 points, that is what they're looking at most likely. But if you have a trade sometimes here and there with this kind of thing, that's why I say it's a little bit of a gray area, but not just my funded futures, most likely on any of these prop firms. Apex also asks you, if you do such a thing, to explain them. It's on their website. If such a behavior they find on the PA accounts, they might be asking you before, if you request a payout, that, okay, please explain, what did you do here, why did you do this, explain your strategy, stuff like that, you know. That's it. This rules to avoid algos and bots. Exactly, Arkan. 10 seconds or longer, more than 5 ticks should be your average. Literally nothing to worry. Yeah, so I'm not worried about this, because as Arkan said, my funded futures, can you claim after passing only above the threshold balance? You can take out the threshold. You can take out the threshold if you, I think on the 50K account it's like $2,100 or $2,000. I don't even know. So many different rules. Let me check it on different prop firms. My funded futures. So yeah, $2,000 on a 50K account is $2,000, and you can still take out 60%. There you go. During the buffer zone building phase, you can withdraw up to 60% of your profits. So in this case, if you're still inside this $2,000 buffer zone. You can take up to 60% of this money out, but you're going to be locked into 0, I think. So if you take it out, then your drawdown is going to be locked into 50K, right? So just so you know, I think that's how they do it. All right. Let's see. London is still ahead. Nothing is happening. Okay. So don't forget the giveaway. It's still happening. I mean, it's a new one. It's not from last week. We did the winner. We picked the winner. So this is a new one. The winner is going to be picked next week. So if you want to participate in this one, you have to reassign the form and earn some points. Oh, nothing is moving, but this one could have been a nice scalp here. I do like that. I did like it. I mean, I didn't take it, but I do like the fact that this was a nice scalp here. If we look at the bigger picture, we still have 516 as a 15-minute fair value gap down there. It should be popping that level. Makes a displacement downwards, then could be interesting to jump in. There you go. But at this point we just have to wait for the market to open. So how's everybody? Any trades going on? Hope you guys made some profits yesterday on FOMC. I mean, I know, no gambling, of course. No gambling. Yeah, could be going down. Just waiting, guys. Just waiting. This is the waiting game. Classic. No positions. So far, this was the only thing that I saw moving that I didn't take it. All right. Nasdaq unplugged again. Just the same thing over and over. Liquidity below 526 ish, yeah. 435 yesterday. Yeah, I was watching those levels too. And there is liquidity. There is a 15-minute gap here as well. So we have a new day opening gap still ready to be revisited. But we still have buy side liquidity above 600 with the 15-minute gap. So yeah, exactly, for the rest of the day. I mean, this was a pretty huge pull here, but it still feels like it might be dropping down again for, I don't know, for some more liquidity. Repricing these areas with the new day opening gap and then going up again, that would be a tricky one. That would be a real tricky one. Okay, London is almost open. I'm gonna be watching the 16.50. All right, let's go with that. I'm gonna be watching that level. All right. Let's see if we go down there or not. Serdar, good morning. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Guys, I'm so happy that you are here. Please push the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's push this stream with the likes, all right? Let's push it. Push it. I think I'm the only one here who doesn't trade according to ICT. It's not a problem. I trade according to technical analysis and order flow. I mean, that's the beauty of it. Everybody trades differently. I'm also I mean, I feel like I'm leaving many of those things behind, the one I don't need. And of course I'm going to keep some smart money concepts to myself as well, but everybody goes on a different way after some time. We had a little bit of a shift here on the 32nd. London is open in 10 seconds. And by the way, there was a very interesting thing about ICT. Let me get back to this one after London Open. Let's see what it does. Because I was yesterday later at night, I was listening into his stream from yesterday, and I didn't listen all of it because it's 4 hours, but I just clicked into there somewhere and I just caught an interesting information. What he said about indicators. And he said something about indicators that, oh, look at that. Okay, so that's what I was waiting, if this is going to happen or not. Are we going to reach for some liquidity here or not? Maybe not. It's going for that fair value gap. It seems like it. But it made a liquidity void. Not a huge one, but I think it can reprice it. Or it will go straight for the gap. I'm watching on my other screen. Oh, Streamlabs is... I'm sorry. I didn't update Streamlabs. I'm sorry about that. Nice, Serdar. Awesome. I have to update Streamlabs. Good to know. Good to know. Streamlabs is drunk. Yeah, I knew I forgot something. I knew I forgot something. Let me get this sober again. %83. All right. Now it's updated. Yes, what we like. Take the liquidity below and then we know what it wants to do. Exactly. Tom, you must know there will always be a tad bit of discretion when it comes to scalping. Absolutely, absolutely, I agree. You gotta read the candlesticks, get to the... Yeah, exactly. There's always gonna be some discretion in scalping. That is 100,000,000% true. So, yeah, I use Streamlabs. I use Streamlabs OBS as well. And this is the Streamlabs cloud bot, or what it's called. It's spamming the stream. But I try to play with the timer, like the time periods, and I just can't seem to get the hang of it, because sometimes it spans every 30 seconds and sometimes it's not doing anything for 20 minutes. So I don't know how it works. I mean, I tried all the settings. All the settings already, and it's just not doing it. Okay, repricing higher. It's not going for it yet. Interesting. It might be even going higher. Who knows? Made a new low. Almost relative equal low. Quite interesting move. Quite interesting move. No structure shift though, so this can be like it took some liquidity up here and then go down again. Almost like a turtle soup or something. And this is not a real structure shift yet, but if it closes above 43, then that could be the next shift. There's another liquidity void still at 31. Let's see the mini. Yeah, the mini has liquidity void at 31. So pretty high chance that this one can go down again. Well, let's see. If not, then not. Oh, it's going up there again. Yeah, I didn't watch it, but later yesterday night I listened into it like for 20 minutes or something while I was preparing for sleep. So I was listening into it. Yeah, he was talking about I just clicked on the stream somewhere, and he was just talking about indicators, like how people are crazy for using indicators. But he also said that, of course, you can use indicators, and that's what I wanted to say. But if you get to know smart money concepts better, then all of a sudden the indicators that you use are going to be working perfectly, because then your indicators, whatever it is you use, are going to line up with the smart money concepts. So you can use indicators, and it's all good if you're lining them up with smart money concepts. And actually, that's what I'm trying to achieve with scalping, for example. I'm trying to align the exponential moving averages. Does it often break one way, grab liquidity, go the other? Yeah. Win-win situation. Don't forget to share what you wanted to say. Yeah, that's what it was. So he actually confirmed that it's okay to use indicators as long as you align it with smart money concepts. So that was the thing I wanted to say. I can't remember exactly what the sentence he was saying, but I might gonna cut it out from the stream and write it down. But that was the point, that you're okay to use indicators as long as you're aligning it with smart money, and then the indicators are suddenly will start to make sense how to use them and how to properly enter. Yeah, pull back. If we buy 2 contract lumps, stop below 520. Yeah, maybe. The only thing that concerns me is down here on the mini and also on the micro. Look at this. I'm gonna zoom it out. On the 1 minute, we have this gap here, which I don't really like, on both sides on the 1 minute chart, and it can be seen both on the mini and the micro. It's not significant, but there is liquidity void or unbalanced price range on both ends of these candles. So it can go down still to 31, maybe do a down close candle below 30, and then go up. I don't know, but pretty high chance that this can happen. I'm not sure. You can still see it on the micro. This is the micro. A little bit crazy, I know that, but it can happen. Who knows? Ezekiel 3839 thing at the end as a bonus. Oh, great. I'm gonna check it out. Dominic. I used to listen to his streams just to gather some information. You haven't lost anything, Tom. ICT kept saying that NQ would increase yesterday in your KM, but kept decreasing. Okay. He didn't guess what the market will do, unfortunately. Okay. All indicators are slow. They cannot predict the future, but they can depict the past well. Yeah. I use indicators only on sunny days. On rainy days, I use naked charts. that's I like that. I like that, Camille. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. Oh man. So as I said, this area at 31 could be rebalanced. Not sure though. But, you know, it could be. Or can be rebalanced. We just need a down close candle in this area, and then we will see the real movement. What is the target? Is it gonna go lower? Maybe even take out the 16 down there. What's the low of this? Is 31? 31 maybe. Let's see if we get a down close candle into that area to rebalance it or not. I'm still waiting, because if it continues to drop to that 15-minute gap, you know, we might gonna have a possible scalp for 16, you know, somewhere entering around the 26 area if it would make a displacement. For now, it doesn't seem like it wants to do any displacement. You boys need to respect the power of starting up conservative mechanical edge, weave up, and morning average, and sticking. Yeah, channel can save you losing. Yeah, you won't listen to me. Oh, yeah. So go ahead, overtrade, get run out of the system. I trade better on my phone than my trading set at home. Really? Quicker decision and just the price action. Now, you know, I heard that some people are actually better on the phone. Long one contract? Alright. Let's go, Camille. That's likely. It's okay to date women as long as they like you. Oh. I don't know if it wants to go down or not. Was pretty close to rebalance that small little area at 30, 31. So I just want to wait for that. If it leaves that gap behind, then I'm certain that we will go above 53. No, sorry, not 53. 60. 63. 60. Yeah, 63 area. But so far, we're just waiting. Waiting and waiting. And there is too much to look at and consider. It makes decision making harder, and I start chasing the trade. Yeah, that is also a problem at my end too. Gotta keep it simple. That's why I'm just waiting and trying to keep it as simple as I can. And yeah, sometimes it's super hard. Sometimes it is what it is. Okay, now we have a move. So there you go, Camille. Your trade should be working out now. This one is a nice displacement on the 32nd. Might not be rebalancing that area down there. So where can we go here? 64 maybe. Yeah, all the way. Let's see if this was at 46. Could be. Could be. Except if it wants to rebalance. But this one was a nice close above. I don't know. I'm still trying to make a decision here. I don't like how this candle is printing for now. You're out, plus 150, nice. No drawdown. Yeah. You were absolutely on spot there. To the tick, yeah. Congratulations. I'm still just waiting on the sidelines here and try to decide what the hell should I do. I still don't know if it wants to go down into this area at 31, maybe to reprice or something. I don't know. Is it going to? Is it not? Rebalance that price range. Let me check the 1 minute here on TradingView. So still didn't go down there quite. That's why it's hard to decide if it wants to or not. I might just stay on the sidelines and wait. Not enough movement for me here. "21 month into learning how to day trade, and I took the 22nd April completely off at the end. I regret it." You regret it? Why? I needed a break from the losing streak and going to on tilt. Yeah, the tilt is always bad. I know. I know it's a bad thing, and it's frustrating. I know, also. I know. Oh, sorry. Just a quick phone call. Sorry, guys. Just a quick call. All right. Pretty much everything is just turned off still. Nothing is moving. Nothing is happening. Just hovering around in this area. Not much to do. No clear movement so far, and I don't even know if this one wants to go for first for the 60s. It might want to go for the 60s and then go down or rebalance lower. It's just hard to decide at this point. You need the break too. You blew way too many options accounts. That's a little bit more riskier, I'm sure, with options. And now we just don't know what the heck is going on with Nasdaq, right? No direction, guys. I just really can't. No idea what's going on. This is too slow. Not clear yet. Hold on, just a second. Just a second. Sorry guys, just the usual calls. I'm making the deals. I'm making the billion-dollar deals, guys. I just don't see any entry for now. It seems like it wants to go for those levels above 560, but clearly I'm not sure. 10 points away from those highs, which we can consider Asia highs, I guess, right? So it's almost pretty much like Asia highs up there at the 60s, maybe. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me see. The high of those levels is 61, actually. So that could be the case. Who knows? But it's very close to take out the Asia high. I mean, let me put a line there. Here as well. 61. Hold on. The high of that level. Oh, there you go. It's already taken. Never mind. Never mind. It's been taken. So first, it took the Asia high, and now, you gotta make sure if it wants to take another high or not. No. Or to continue. The next buy side is, by the way, the buy side is at 625. 625? No, it's not. Let me get this straight. On the 15-minute, we have a buy side at 604. So it's like a little bit higher, like 40 points, 44 points, but it can still continue. I was a little bit surprised after these moves that it was hovering above this 531 level, that it didn't reprice those levels. But anyway, hey Muhammad, how you doing? I'm sorry, I think it was you texted on YouTube that the code wasn't working, but anyway, codes are working. Don't you think it will wake up? It can strongly push higher if it can go. That was the silver bullet, I believe. Am I correct? Well, if we look at the 1 minute chart, well, not the perfect silver bullet, I would say, but I had no entry here, not even on the 30-second chart. I was just anticipating that we should be taking out the Asia high, which was here. I wanted to take a trade on my funded account, but so here. So this was Asia high. But from now, I don't know if it was a silver bullet or not. Not sure. 595 is the anchored swap from yesterday, FOMC. Oh, done for London, by the way. Sweep Asia low, target Asia high. Yeah. Yeah, Muhammad, exactly. Here comes displacement for lows. Could be, could be. Long time no see, Tom. Been busy with my studies. Muhammad, studying is important, and you lost 1K on your combine. Oh, sorry to hear that. But hey, we're here to learn, right? Muhammad, good to see you, by the way. JP, I entered on the breaker. Oh yes, we had a breaker here. Down here on the 1 minute. If this is the one you're referring, there was a breaker. This was actually a perfect breaker. So if you guys are trading breakers, that this was almost like an A+ breaker. It wasn't really all that good because of this wick, but the formation and the gap and the OTE levels were correct. And I'm still just waiting. The RSI is not ready to go down still. Yeah, not sure about that. I wasn't checking the RSI yet. I was looking the stochastic momentum index. I still have some liquidity down below. It could be a turnaround from here, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm muted. Can you guys hear me? Guys, let me know if you guys can hear me or cannot. It says on my OBS that the microphone is on. Okay then. All right. So maybe Revenge, check your speakers. Thank you. Thank you now. Thank you. Good morning. Hello, A. That's the one. Breaker and FUG. Yeah, unicorn. It was actually a unicorn setup. So if you guys, any of you guys are trading the breaker, then this was actually a very good setup. At this point, let me just see. The level was 61.25. Let's go with that for now. All right, 61.25. 61.25. So this was kind of like the Asia high. Okay. And now, who knows what's gonna happen? I wish I could have some kind of a good setup for my end, but here this was a little bit sloppy. This one already took, well, maybe I should have entered on this at 315, 316 candle, go higher. I don't know. Good news, just got funded 250k Apex. Paul, congratulations. Congratulations for getting those accounts. I think I'm going to enter if it gives me fair value gap to the downside. Yeah, I'm looking for that too. And by the way, guys, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Pushing the like is free to do, and let's push it to the moon, guys. Help out the channel. Also, there's a giveaway link up there in the pinned messages. We're going to do a 50k account giveaway next week, and hopefully once every week there's going to be a giveaway. Don't miss it out. You have to participate every new week in the giveaway. All right, so make sure of that. If you participate in the last weeks, you have to participate in this one as well. So we're going to restart it every week. We're going to do the winner pick here live on stream. If you're not here live, no problem. You will getting the email. I mean, if you're the winner, I'll be sending you the email. So also we we have some good discounts going on. BULENOX extended some sales with 83%. It's not 90, but 83% only for the first month. Apex Trader gives you a lifetime 80%, which is still good. TOPSTEP additional 20% from the current prices. If you click on my link and register for a brand new account, you can get it. And my funded futures 5% off from all the accounts. I would better use it for expert account. For example, on a 50k expert account, the activation fee is included in the price. So if you pass it under 30 days, then you're pretty much good. cost effective, right? For a consolidation, yeah, it looks like a bullish flag, definitely, and yeah, the next level is above 600, 604 as buy side liquidity, so it's quite a move, but feels like it just want to continue to push. Yeah. On the 15-minute, the next fair value gap is at 604. I'm gonna put a line there as well. Don't know what to make of this. Pretty much nothing is going on. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh. ES is still okay. So why didn't you guys say so? SMT divergence, right? Still looking for that Asia high on ES. It looks like NQ is going for it as well. Okay. Trade day has 40% off the 50k account, so now it's going to be 99 7 days to pass, no setup fee, withdraw from day one. Oh, there you go. Da, 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 da. Ba, ba, da, ba, 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 da. It's going, guys. It's going. Oh man. It's just slowly grinding. Yeah, trade day is good. I think I have a coupon for that too. I don't know, somewhere here. Um, ba, 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 ba. What is happening? I think it could go down and ES take the Asia high. What do you think? Well, it could be. As long as, I mean, as long as ES is below the Asia high, you know, we could expect NQ to hold this position. Look at this, it's still pushing. ES took out the Asia highs. Wow. Looks like we're going for the 600. It pretty much seems like it. In longs don't know where the top could be. Well, let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I was looking to jump into a trade, but yet I'm just sitting here and didn't see my opportunity to play out. I'm still watching the 30-second. I like this one here to go long, but I don't know. 71. Should I just take this? No, I'm not going to. Look at this baby. It wants to go to those 600 levels maybe. Pretty much looks like it, right? $20 points away. But it's very, very stretched out, so it's a little bit high. It can retrace lower. I'm gonna wait. Yeah. In the big picture, ES is still pushing. I'm out. 350. One account done. Yeah, nice. Nice one now. Congrats. I would not be surprised if it goes all the way back up. Yeah, it could happen. It could happen. That's why I'm saying like 604 is a good target. Look at this. It's going. It's going. Up to the 90s after this one. What's on the 5-minute? It's going for liquidity there. We're stuck here. Officially. Tell me, do you use market execution or limit? If I scalp, well, it's 50-50 when I scalp, you know. When I have the time to put the limit order there, I use limit order as. Let me rephrase it. I use limit order whenever I can, if I can have the time. Those seconds, sometimes it's just seconds to place the limit order. But yeah, sometimes when the market is moving, I need to make the market entry. Yeah. Waiting for a pullback too. It seems like we're gonna go for the 604 right now. No retracement so far at none of these time frames. So pushing strong. You like 604? Yeah, me too. I mean, that's a good level. 15-minute fair value gap. Also at 608 there is a 5-minute gap starting, so there is some liquidity there, that's for sure. Maybe it wants to go for it. Going down. I was long at 17,549 and exited 17,568. Made fair high. Oh, 500. Awesome. That's me out. Nice. We 550 on one account and 402 another. That's nice, JP. DM, yeah, I mean, it's still a profit is profit, you know, DM. Now is the question, yeah. I don't know. ES spiked higher. Everything is retracing. There is a shift here, technically, but for me, it's not good enough. It can go lower. So, guys, if you want to enter, we had the market structure shift on the. Let me check on the 1 minute too. Yeah, on the 30 seconds, there was a structure shift to the downside. But if you're looking to go to the 604s, then, or 603.50, then maybe this pullback is for you. It just swept this liquidity on the 1 minute gap. Look at this right here. So actually this one could be going, right? After sweeping that liquidity. Maybe a pullback or not. Unsure. Yeah, this, and as long as you're unsure, better to wait, guys. This is a little bit crazy here. If we shift lower than 69 with the displacement, then we could be looking for the other side again. But it's really hard to say right now. Yeah, better risk reward with the top fair value gap, yes. Anyways, going back to bed. All right, Daniel. Thanks for joining the stream, Daniel. Okay. See you, Daniel. Have a good one. This one is still not shifting. Well, actually it did. On the 32nd, we did have a shift. So I wonder if this is good for a possible short. I don't know. There, I entered on a scalp. Actually, it's a very, very small, tiny position. And I'm going to exit right there. And this was based on that gap, which doesn't really mean anything because it's repricing now. But for me, the goal was a scalp here. That's why I only entered with a small position, targeting those candles down there. I do like those candles. It's a healthy 10 points, hopefully. You wait for the upper fair value gap. Yeah. We have a chance for going for that too. Again, this is the 30-second chart, guys, so it's a higher risk. That's why I only entered with a smaller risk here. I think I'm just risking like $30 or $40 from the profit on this one. And actually this account is already up today. It's already up, right? Oh yeah, you guys didn't see the balance. Let me update it. Okay. And I just got out. All right. So it's going higher. It's going higher. There's my stop. Yeah, that was a small trade. But I do like this one again because it gives me the feeling that we might be seeing the continuation. Not sure. Not sure. But it really gives me the feeling that it can go. If we could go to all the way up to 97, not even to the 600s, but you know. Example 79, 69, 79, 89, 88. Maybe we will break the high here. We don't know. We don't know. I don't like it because no market structure on the 1 minute. Yeah. Ate my stop loss. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit still undecisive. You know, I thought we are gonna run for that 600s again. Who knows? Maybe it will try once more, but I don't know. London sessions sometimes can be tricky. Still waiting. Oh yeah, the minute chart. Well, we had a market structure shift here on the minute. I don't know. I mean, it's not a big one here, but it still is a shift. And look at this, it's just stopped again. Might be breaking down once more. But if it does, then we have to go through these lows and finally maybe can reach down for, well, let me see if we have something on the 5 minute. We have a 5 minute liquidity at 58. 58, there we go. So I'm just going to put one more line to 58 as well, in case. Just in case. What are the odds of the pump until 8:30? Well, you have to look at the bigger picture. You know, 8:30 is still here sometime in this area. The pump until 8:30 to 6:03, if we anticipate that that's where the draw on liquidity is, I think is very high. That's what I think. If we anticipate that the draw on liquidity is above 600, then reaching that level is very high until 8:30. That's what I think. That's just personal opinion, not a financial advice. Very close to, yeah. Oh, look at that. Come on. There you go. There you go. It's going. Look at that. Oh, man. Should have stayed in the trade for a long one. I mean, if I go to the 30-second, I was watching this level when it took my stop out. Oh, hold on. I was watching this level right here. This one. And so I was wondering if I should jump into a long and target the 604 levels, and I missed the trade. I do feel some FOMO. Gotta be honest. Should have been good for a one-to-one at least. Entering around 79 or maybe even, yeah, 79. Stop below 69. Yeah, could have been good for 10 points. Easy 10 points, and I missed it. Damn. I wouldn't enter now to another long. I think we had this sharp move. It could be a potential reversal, especially so close to these areas up there. Stopped. Oh, because let me check. Yes. Oh, you jumped into a short here, right? Let's go. Let's see if it moves to that area or not. We'll wait for clear market structure shift, and we'll try one more. If I get stopped again, I will wait for New York session. Yeah, that's the best thing to do, maybe. I still feel like we're going for that 600, 603, 604. Well, let me check my entry. Yeah, I mean, could be, but I'm even thinking to jump in once more, but I'm not sure. Jump in here. It's a little bit late entry for me. All right, low risk. Low risk trades, very tight stop. Just micros. All right. And I'm looking for TP at 599. Maybe. Okay, 87. Yeah, 599 is good for my TP. If it takes me out at 75.50, it's all right. It's okay. Entry is based on this gap, and because I was anticipating, I'm still anticipating that we could be going for the highs at 604. I don't like that it went down there, but it's pretty much holding, acting as a support. If we can get one push, then it will go. Just one go. You're playing with fire? I'm actually not playing with fire. I'm just risking 30 bucks on this one. And even if I lose, you see, today I'm already up like $200 or something. So if I lose this trade, I will be still in profit. So I'm all right. I'm all right with it. I'm perfectly okay with it. At least I will know that if my analysis was bad or not. And if it wasn't, at least I make some profit. Yeah. I want to get out before 600 if it goes there. If it goes there, and that's a big if. Yeah, it's a small risk. Small risk, very, very tiny risk. 2 micros for only 8 points, something like that. It's like 30 something or 40 bucks with commissions. I'm okay. I'm okay if I lose it. It's for the stream. I bite the bullet for the stream. For the sake of the stream, guys. All right. Let's go. Maybe we will get it. The dog is barking, so that means long positions are in favor. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so and push the like button for me, please. Let's push this stream to the moon. And also, there's a giveaway. If you haven't filled out the form, it's in the pinned message up there in the chat. Go fill it out and increase your chance by winning, completing some tasks to win a 50k evaluation account. We do this every week, hopefully. No promises though, but we had one last week. We're doing this week as well. It's a new one. So if you entered last week, you have to participate in the new one too, to increase your chance. All right. So win some points and do it. Looks like it's teasing the level. It's teasing it. Teasing it, teasing it, teasing it. Come on. Oh, look at that. Playing dirty again. Oh, hey, thank you for the subscription. Thank you for subscribing. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, I just can't pronounce your name correctly because I can't really read these letters. How can I call you? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I don't recognize these letters. But thank you for subscribing. Oh, all right. Peter Dimov. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for subscribing, Peter. Welcome to the channel. Also, guys, if you would like to support the stream, please use my codes and links if you would like to trade with futures with any of these prop firms. I also have a coupon for take profit traders down in the description. And for all of these, with my funded futures, TOPSTEP and Apex also has a lifetime discount 80%. And for BULENOX, thank you so much. My funded futures is one of the best deals in terms with the expert account. If you can pass it in 30 days, that's an awesome and super huge deal to go with. So I'm pretty much like them a lot, but the other ones are very good too. Check out TOPSTEP and Apex and BULENOX too. A few dollars here and there help out the stream. Yeah, absolutely. I agree with you, Peter, because trading is a lonely business, one of the loneliest things in the world. And, you know, we have to pass time somehow. And that's why I like this community as well. And I dedicated myself here in full time too. So let's do this. Look at this. It's just teasing that level. It's playing with it, but it's not going through it. And it also made a shift to the downside. I don't like that. I'm even considering to close it down manually. But actually, I don't care. If it takes me out with a stop loss, it's all right, because I will be still in profit for the day, and I'll be coming back for the New York session anyways. Feels like it wants to pop into that 600 level. Yeah, the 1 minute looks good too. Oh, look at that. Spiky, spiky. Spiky, but it's teasing just. Just here and waiting. Wolves are trying to push it, but they're having some resistance here. All right. Look at this. It's trying once more. Maybe now it will take it. Not yet. Look at that. I'm in the long FX mode. I'm trying to go for that 600. But it's just teasing around it. And oh, look at that. All right. Spiked higher finally. So this was a good one. Okay. Nice. Took profit at 99. Spiked into my TP, but it should be going for 604 eventually. So this was a good one. Made a little bit of profit at least. What do we have? Are we still going into the 600s? I don't know. It's just not, it's not ready to take it yet. I don't want to re-enter right now. Also, it could be going, look at this. Is it really wants to go down to the 80? Or down to 65? Who knows? 80, 65. Man, 520. 500. I don't know. I wanted to see the 604 being taken. You are stubborn? What do you mean by that? I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just waiting. I just want to see where it goes, you know. You hold the trade. Yeah, I was holding it. As I said, take profit or stop loss, you know. I think I can say that I was a little bit lucky here, although it did go for the 600, so that's why I took profit at 99. The 600 is a nice whole number. Maybe it was enough for the market to push it around a little bit to the downside. We have a 5-minute gap at 558. On the 30 seconds, there is a displacement. And now there is a possible short entry to go lower. I'm not going to take it, just saying. But it's a possible short entry. There. But I'm not taking it. Feels like it can just go below 580. So but it can still go once more to that buy side above 600. I don't know. You're in a short, stop at the tops. All right. We have a clear market structure shift. Let's see. Yeah, ES looks good. I like it. We have good targets down there, good levels on ES. It definitely looks nice. Let's see what it does. We need some movement in price. But overall, it looks really good. NQ is finding some support here. If it breaks lower than 80, then I think we should be having a clear way to 65. Yeah, in trade on NQ. Yeah. I understand. Me too. We'll take some off at 65. Yeah, 65 is a very good target. So this area is definitely very good in terms of targets. Gotta have a little extra patience here. Also, if this one breaks the 80 with a down close candle, if you guys in a short, I would be putting the stop to 89, or sorry, 590. You know, there's a swing there, because if it would trade above that after that, then could be an indication that it wants to go higher, like now. Looks like it's looking for the 604 after all. Who knows? Nobody knows what the market wants. And leave one for Asia lows. Well, you know, that can happen. That's a good strategy. You know, leave one for Asia lows. That would be really nice. All the way down to the 500s. That would be awesome. Okay. A little bit of a spike there to the downside. Let's see if this one wants to take those levels. I'm just checking if I would have a long from 85, 97, 85. Yeah, this could have been my take profit down there with a 1-to-1. Because if I scalp, I try to go for a 1-to-1, especially on the 30-second time frame, because of the sudden movements. But in this case, we have really good target down there. Yeah, with micros you can do. Exactly. So it's not a big deal. Small risk. Look at this, beautiful. You can just ride this one all the way. Oh, sorry, this is ES. Still, almost the same scenario here. Although it didn't gap back here on the 1 minute. But if you want to play it out, 65 is a good level. And then follow it down maybe. I wouldn't be surprised if this one would go down back to the midnight area. So gonna wait and see, but I'm not sure I'm gonna participate in it for now, but maybe a little bit tempted. The gap is still here, still ready to take on for a ride. Again, this is the 30-second charts, guys. It's not the 1 minute. It's down to the 30-second. And I definitely like these levels down there, but the only concern by my end is that we didn't go for the 604. But we did pierce the 600. Like the short, yeah. Then 10/3 in the 1 minute fair value gap. Yeah. Could be seeing some repricing, maybe higher, all the way to 89. But now, this is the 1 minute. It's just hard to tell. It's getting a little slow here. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to dip off here. I'm not really looking to enter a trade. I made a little bit of profit and I'm coming back in the New York session. The kill zone is almost ending here, and I think as far as I can see, we're good to go down to 66, 67. So if you guys in a short, maybe put it to break even and just ride it. If it takes you out, nothing to lose, right? Anyway, I'll be coming back in. I'm not gonna. Maybe. You know what? It's a good idea. 20-minute power nap. For me, it's 10:41 here in the morning. Maybe I'm gonna have some nice lunch and take a 20-minute power nap after that. Who knows? That's a good idea, actually. All right. Yeah, before New York, exactly. Okay, guys, thanks again for watching, and please push the like, subscribe, and if you want to support, just use my links and codes. Thank you guys for being here. I'll be back in the New York session. All right, let's make some more profits. See you in New York, guys.